What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Six. Today I got a super quick vid. However, today was a big day for me. I pulled up to my mom's spot and had two beautiful packages waiting for me. Check this out, gang. Y'all see it. These are my springs and this beautiful red package right here. You can only know what this is. Yes, it's my intake. I got my springs in my intake. So, Saturday, I'll be installing the intake, which is 2 days from now. Next Monday, I plan to get my springs done. I'm not sure yet, though, because I got to talk to the guy that's supposed to be doing them for me. But them two packages came in, you know we lit. And I just wanted to show y'all the whip, too, because I got the tint done. Let me know how y'all feel about this, because I rock with it. Now that I feel like the whip's getting complete. Oh, this is my hose, too. I got a new hose. I'm gonna do a little wash. I'm gonna wash my whip in a second. I'm gonna talk to y'all about that. But yeah, gang, car looking a little dirty, so I'm about to do a quick wash. In this little box right here, I got some stuff from Chemical Guys. I'm gonna drop this stuff in the description. Y'all gonna see how it looks and what it does. But I got an all-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna clean my engine bay with this and clean the inside, a little bit of the stuff on the outside. This is my shampoo that I bought from them, the wash shampoo. And then I also bought this little glove, so I'm gonna wash it with this. And I got a little tire shine. And this all was like 30 bucks from Chemical Guys. So I'm about to see what they're hitting on. I heard good stuff about them, so I guess we're gonna find out. I'm gonna do a quick wash right quick. And that's basically gonna be the whole video, gang. This is a quick video. I just wanted to show y'all that I got my intake in and my springs. F30 looking straight. What y'all think about this tint, man? Y'all let me know. I'm rocking with the whip though. I think it looks tough. My carbon grills are supposed to come in. They come in extra late. They're coming all the way from like China, so they're literally taking forever. It says they're not supposed to come until like the 28th. Hopefully it'll come a little bit earlier. But yeah, gang, let's get this wash started. Well, my plan was to wash the car, but as y'all can see, it just got the pouring out here. So I don't even know if I'm gonna wash it no more today. That's the spot I wanted to hit on the other side of the car, but I might just leave it for now, actually. But I want to show y'all this. New camera vibes. So check this out, gang. I grabbed the Canon Rebel T5i off the Facebook Marketplace. Beautiful DSLR camera. Great first camera. First DSLR. Beautiful. Got it for a steal. Great price. I got it for like $300 with the lens. So this is a great deal on this camera. Beautiful. Barely even used. You couldn't beat it. Okay, so now the rain wants to slow down. Okay, I guess I might have to wash it a little bit. Let's see. All right, so I'm about to take a little bit of this citrus wash in gloss. This is the auto shampoo. Throw it in my tub of water. Ooh wee. The way it pours in like that. My little hand scrubber. Take some of this soapy water and get it up on here. Got all this fucking clay and shit on the car. I think this happened the other night. If y'all check out the slide meat video, y'all know what I'm talking about. Seems like a good product though. Like it's getting that dirt off quickly. Well, gang, just got a quick wash off. I gotta run to work. I'm running late. What time is it? Oh yeah, I got 3 minutes to dip. So appreciate y'all for tuning to this video, gang. Got a quick wash on the whip. Next video will be the intake install. I'm gonna probably have the slide meat video out by the time this video drops. And that video is super tough. So yeah, gang, appreciate y'all for tuning into the channel. As always, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Subscribe if y'all are new to the channel. Subscribe if you like any of my content. Y'all know how we rocking, gang. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.